Alrighty everyone, welcome back to another episode. Today we're here with the 2 frames and the stack of tires. We've also got the forks inside and the fork bottom soaking in soap. Today we're going to be getting all of this stuff washed. Thank you all so much for tuning in. We're going to be starting with the wheels here. The spacers are stuck. I've tried time and time again to get these little spacers out here, but that we're just going to have to repaint the rim with them in. And then for the frame here, this is the frame we're going to be selling. We've got a decent amount of rust on it, but that's okay. We're going to be doing a full sanding and repainting process after we've degreased it. And then for the frame we're keeping, there's not very much rust, but there is a few locations where it'd be better just to touch it up and get it all nice and shiny if we're already taking it apart to this level. And yeah, we've also got, like I said, we got the fork bottoms here soaking in soapy water. We got the forks. We've already done the first wash on them in the last episode. And so the goal with all this is we're going to be doing a wash. Once we've done the wash, we're going to let them dry and then use a rag to wipe them down. Try and get as much extra grease off as we can with the rag. And then we're going to go for a secondary wash before finally sanding them down. Now, we're not doing the sanding today. It's only the washing, but it is a lot to get done, so I figured we could still get a video out of it. After this, I'm actually going to be recording a second video, or at least trying to, and we're going to be trying to learn how to use the bearing puller and get the front hub taken apart. I'm not sure if that's actually 100% going to be done, but we'll see, right? Hopefully you all enjoy. Let's get straight into washing these wheels and enjoy the time lapse, everyone. It should only be 15 to 20 seconds. Show you the finished results when we're done. Well, everyone, check this out. We've been making some progress here. We got the wheels all degreased. There is some dirt. There is a bit of rust, but that's okay. The forks are coming along nicely. Got all the grease off. They're just down to the rust at this point. Same thing with the frames. We've gotten most of the grease off of them. There's a few little locations where there's little bits of grease that, we got to get off at some point right here. This might not even be grease. This just might be paint over rust, right? I'm not 100% sure. Not 100% done, but we're getting very close. And I hope you all enjoyed this video. That's going to be all. We got the fork boots in a new bin of water here. And soaking again with soapy water to try and get the plastic spacers out. Let's see, what can you see there? Now, when we've got, all right, now that we've got all this done, that's going to be the end of this video. Thank you all so much for tuning in. I hope you all enjoyed. If you did, be sure to leave a like and to comment with your favorite part, and consider also subscribing for more content. We've made a lot of progress. In the last couple weeks, we've completely torn down and now washed a couple 3-wheelers. All we got to do is sand, repaint, and reassemble these things. We're getting very close. Thank you all so much, and I hope you all enjoyed. See you in the next one, everyone.